Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to start a shift report in WristCoin's mobile POS. And in this video we're going to focus on sales and purchases and how they can be reflected in the sales report, including things like tips. So the first thing we're going to do is start a shift report. To start a shift report, you go to the side nav, scroll down under account where it says shift. Then the first option is to begin your shift. So once you do that, you have the option to enter any starting cash you have when you cash in on your shift. In this case, the use case is that we don't have any cash, we just handle purchases and don't worry about top-ups or cash handling. So we're going to click no starting cash. Now the shift is active, which is displayed here in the side nav anytime the shift is active to remind you. So then you can go about creating orders of various items as needed. So here there's tips. So you can say amount $5. Then you can repeat this process with perhaps a keyed in sale or a general sale. You can say deduct $25 as a general sale. Again, there's an option for a tip. You can even add a percentage, 15%. Scan again for the purchase to go through. And then you would repeat this process throughout the duration of your shift. Now at the end of your shift, when you've done all your sales, collected all your tips, etc., you want to end the shift by coming here and clicking the shift button again, and then you can hit end shift. In this case we didn't have any cash, so we'll just enter 0 for final cash. You could always enter a comment like, worked extra hour, busy night, something like that, and then end the shift. Now when you're in a state where you don't have a shift active, you have the option to now view and print your shift reports. So by clicking on that, you can see in the list here the shift reports that are been recorded on this mobile point of sale station. You click on the latest shift, for example, and then you can see all the shift details. When the shift started and ended, employee email. In this case, we didn't have any cash or cash adjustments, nor did we give any closeouts or refunds or provide top-ups. However, we were in a role of selling items, so we can say that the total item sales, total keyed in sales, therefore the total sales, total taxes collected, total number of tips and amount of tips, how many loyalty points were awarded and redeemed, the total number of orders that we placed, line items that were processed, keyed in sales, etc. Below, there's then a breakdown of the sales by category, including if any loyalty points were awarded or rewarded in those categories. Again, if there were reversals processed, they would show up here, though in this demonstration we didn't have any. And the last section of the shift report shows at the time the shift ended if there were any unsynced transactions and how many and for what amount. This will help clarify if there's any inconsistencies between what is shown on the back office dashboard and when you ended your shift, if internet connectivity was not present and therefore some of the transactions had not yet been uploaded. Then the final option is for you to print your report using one of our wireless receipt printers, and when you click that, it'll print it for you. Thank you for watching.